Hey guys, last video we have seen how we can load the tagline and site title from WordPress admin panel. Now we are gonna see that how we can load the posts from WordPress admin dashboard. So as you can see, this our HTML template data. So go to the code. As you can see, this is hard-coded data. We will make it as our we will make it loading from our WordPress dashboard. So for that, okay, let's go to the code. So as you can see, okay, last video we forgot one thing, which is we need to add a PHP tag inside of the body tag, which is body class. Okay, this will help our body this will help our body to echo the all class that we use in body. Same thing that we can do for the posts as well, which is post class. Okay, you have to do it. This is very mandatory. So in body class you need to give the function body class. In every post you need to do the PHP tag. You need to give the PHP tag is post class. Okay, as you can see, we have two posts in this template, so we are gonna delete one posts. Okay, we deleted one posts. Okay, inside the posts tag here our post is gonna start. So inside this we're gonna take one PHP tag. Inside this we need to write while have posts. If we have post, then firstly we need to write the post function, otherwise we will go to the infinite loop, which will not work. Okay, now we can take this whole post, the div of the post. Okay, cut this. Now we can close the PHP tag. We have to start the PHP tag. Inside this we have to give the template, post template that we have. Okay, so this is the post title. Okay, post, if you want to get the post title, you have to take a PHP tag. Inside the PHP tag you need to write the title. Okay, okay, this is our author. So for that we need to take another PHP tag. Okay, okay, inside this we need to the author. Okay, so then here is the date. Okay, for that we need to give the date. Okay, so we need to take the PHP tag. Sorry. Okay, here is that we have tags. Okay, we're working on tags later on. Okay, this is post thumbnails. Okay, now cut this, then take a PHP tag. Okay, then write a condition if has post thumbnail. If has post thumbnail, then okay, inside this we have to write the post thumbnail. Okay, we made a mistake here. This bracket will end here. Okay, if has post thumbnail, that means that if you have any post thumbnail, then the post thumbnail will equal here. So inside this you can write the size, whatever size you wanna see your image as your in your post. So you can write the you can say the what type of size that you wanna show for your post. So if it's empty, it's not gonna be a problem. Okay, you can you can write the size of your image. So for example, I am going to give it large. You can give it as large, as thumbnail, as medium, as small, whatever you want. So then you can, as you can see in our HTML template, okay, market, you can see that there is a class of our image tag. Okay, as you can see, we need in img fluid, so we need to add this class for our image. So for that, how we can do it? Okay, so for that we need to write, okay, I'm showing it to you guys how you can add in class. You can add attribute here, so array, then class, then name of your class. This is it. That's how you can add a class name of your image tag, or any HTML element, element class you can add from this. Okay, our image, featured image is done. Now you have to show the content here, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Okay, inside this we're gonna show the content. So take a PHP tag, then right here the content. Okay, okay, our setup is almost done. Now go to browser. Now reload this. So as you can see that there is some post who has image, who has not. So those who has image, who showing an image, okay, you can add a post here. The post is hello world. Okay, then write some code. I will copy this content here. Okay, paste here. Okay, now I'm select an image here. Okay, upload an image. Okay, I have some image in my laptop. What is it? Okay, about this one. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, then publish. Okay, okay, this is the code that we added. This is our title of the post. This is our author is me, as you can see. This is me, and then this is the date. This is November 6 2022. This is tag. Okay, tag is normally hard coded. We didn't work on tag, we will work on tag now. So if you see the template, you can see the date format is, okay, our date format is 15th May 2020. Okay, and our date format is November 6. So we have to work on this as well. Okay, then our content is showing here, our image is showing here. This is our image and this is our content. So this is working finely. Okay, now we have to work on dates. This is the November month name, then date, then year. So our template is saying that we have to show the date in this way. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So go to admin and go to settings and go to general. Okay, inside the general you can see here as custom, you can write here JS space F comma space 1. Okay, so this will be confusing, so I'm showing you how what this is. So go to Google, search WordPress date format. Okay, okay, as you can see, J means the day of the month, Y means the year in 4 digits, L means full name for day of the week, F means full name for the month. So I hope you will understand. I will give this link on description, you can check it out. Okay, so js space f comma space y. Okay, now save this. Okay, so after saving this I'm gonna reload this. Okay, as you can see, that's how it's working. Okay, 6th November 2020. So as you can see my date, the Sunday, November 6th 2020, 6th November 2020. Okay, our post is working fine, and in next video we will work on the tag. So as you can see, our tag is now hard coded. We need to work it as we need to reload this from WordPress admin as at post sections. Okay guys, this video we have shown you how you can add a title and author name, date, and thumbnail image and a content. So I hope you understand this. Take care. See you in the